Tami and Gabriel loved exploring, but after their exciting cooking adventure, they wanted to try something new. One sunny morning, they sat under the big oak tree in Tami's backyard, brainstorming ideas. "What if we build a tree house?" Gabriel suggested. "We already tried that last summer. Remember? The ladder broke, and we fell into a pile of leaves," Tami reminded him, laughing. Gabriel grinned. "Right. Then what else can we do?" Just then, Tami's grandpa Joe walked by, carrying a bag of flower seeds and a tiny tomato plant. "Good morning, little explorers. Would you like to help me in the garden?" he asked with a twinkle in his eye. Tami's face lit up. "Yes. That sounds fun." Gabriel hesitated. "Gardening? Isn't that just digging in the dirt?" Grandpa Joe chuckled. "Oh, my boy, gardening is an adventure. You plant tiny seeds, take care of them, and watch them grow into something amazing." Tami clapped her hands. "Let's do it." And so, their gardening adventure began. Grandpa Joe led them to a small patch of land. "Before we plant, we need to get the soil ready," he explained. He handed them tiny shovels. Tami and Gabriel eagerly started digging, but soon, Gabriel got a mischievous idea. "Hey, Tami," he said, flinging a handful of soil toward her. Tami gasped. "Gabriel!" Before he knew it, a soil battle had begun. They tossed dirt at each other, laughing until they were covered in mud from head to toe. "All right, you two," Grandpa Joe said, shaking his head but smiling. "Let's keep the dirt on the ground, not on each other." They giggled and got back to work, smoothing out the soil. Grandpa Joe handed them a handful of carrot, sunflower, and tomato seeds. "Each seed needs a cozy home underground," he said. Tami carefully placed the seeds into little holes, covering them with soil. Gabriel, however, dumped a whole handful in one spot. "Gabriel!" Tami scolded. "You have to space them out." Grandpa Joe chuckled. "Unless you want a jungle of tomatoes." Gabriel scratched his head and fixed his planting. "Plants need water to grow," Grandpa Joe said, giving them watering cans. Tami gently poured water over her seeds. Gabriel, on the other hand, decided to splash a little extra, right on Tami. "Gabriel," she shrieked, now soaking wet. "Oops," Gabriel said, laughing. Grandpa Joe shook his head, smiling. "Remember, kids, too much water can drown the plants, your gardening partner." "Now, we wait," Grandpa Joe said. "Plants don't grow overnight. They need sunshine, water, and patience." Gabriel groaned. "Patience? That's no fun." Tami nudged him. "Maybe tomorrow we'll see something." For the next few weeks, they checked on their garden every day. Slowly, tiny green sprouts peeked out of the soil. "They're growing," Tami cheered. "I guess patience isn't so bad," Gabriel admitted. After a few more weeks, the garden was full of fresh vegetables and tall sunflowers. To celebrate, Grandpa Joe helped them pick juicy red tomatoes, crunchy carrots, and fresh cucumbers. "Now, what do we do with all these?" Gabriel asked. Tami grinned. "Let's have a picnic." They packed a basket with fresh garden veggies, homemade sandwiches, and lemonade. Under the big oak tree, they laid out a blanket and enjoyed the tastiest meal ever, all thanks to their hard work in the garden. "This is the best picnic ever," Gabriel said, munching on a carrot. "And the best adventure," Tami added. Grandpa Joe smiled. "See? Gardening isn't just digging in the dirt, it's about growing something wonderful. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.